Take a look at these guys. Back then, they don't even put carpet. This was a work truck. They used rubber in the floor. And guys, it is completed. Let's take a look at this interior. And there you have it, guys. Beautiful, beautiful bench seat with headrest and the headliner. Welcome, welcome. And we have the car of the day. Let's take a look. Guys, this is a 1994 Ford F-150. Beautifully restored. Look at that paint. It's definitely a beautiful truck. Bring back to life. Bring back a lot of memories for a lot of people. But this is the problem, guys. Cloth seats. Yeah, it has seen better days, guys, but you know, this is what happened to these trucks. Actually, this is not totally fabric. It's a synthetic material. And we want to match it with the rear. It's already making a synthetic vinyl. We're going to be doing the same process here with this truck so we can make it beautiful again. For sure needs some love. That's what we're going to be doing. And look at that roof. Yeah. And guys, as part of our LeatherTeck, we're gonna have to do this on our hands about EM Upholstery Technology, which is our custom shop, and we're gonna be doing a custom seat, custom covers for this one. And one thing that we notice when these things become this old 1994, the foam pad is completely gone. When you sit in this thing, it feels like you sat into a waterbed or something like that. Very unstable because it has loose memory and the support is no longer there. For that reason, we're going to be replacing that foam pad too. So because we want this vehicle to feel like it just roll out of the dealership. And they do a fabulous paint. I like the color. This is like a very attractive blue. And see, this foam is already gone, it's very decayed, so the threads give up. And this is some kind of synthetic plastic-like material, very ugly. But that's the way they built them back then. And that's how we're gonna be matching with the rear one. Now, headliner. And as I mentioned to you guys, take a look at these guys. Back then, they don't even put carpet. This was a work truck. They used rubber in the floor. That's the way they were built. And guys, you want to do this in your car, you want to have a transformation, visit LeatherTeck by EM Upholstery Technology so you can order a factory kit, a custom kit, or you know, a special edition with diamonds, double hex, honeycomb, and many other exotic materials. Alligators, suede skin, you name it. We have the mobile LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com, guys. And if you want to upgrade to degree cooling and heating, you can do that, guys. We have this system right here. It gives you 3 different levels of heating, 3 different levels of cooling. That's in one little switch, so you can be cozy in your ride, guys. And you want to do this right there. Get that code, guys, because if you feel underinformed, you're gonna be part of an exclusive group of people that are gonna get special prices and discounts only available for the people in that list. So because the discounts are so big, we can't even publish them, so we have to go this way. So fill up the form, guys, so you can get into that list. And those are the materials for the custom build. And again, guys, we have to replace the whole pad because that one over there is already too weak. it feels like I told you guys, like you sat into a waterbed or something like that. Very horrible. Besides, this one has a little enhance right here, a little bolster. So we're gonna be rebuilding this bench seat and make it look back to factory specifications, like new again. Don't forget to fill out that form, guys, and get your degrees. And if it does too much for you guys, at least get your seat heaters, because it's nice to be warm on winter. Okay guys, wait for me until I finish this fabrication so you can see how that restoration is gonna end up. And if you need something like this, guys, you know where to go. LeatherTeck.com by Upholstery. We got you covered, guys. Anything that you need, we can build for you. Even if your car is very old, we still be able to help you. And we have our more recent cars, brand new cars, we're gonna be showcasing later on when we make one more of those vehicles. I just want you to see this beauty so you can appreciate the transformation for the headliner and the seat, guys. So look forward for that video. Okay guys, we're gonna be removing this bench seat, and we're gonna be needing 15 socket. It has 4 bolts, 2 in the front, 2 in the rear, guys. And you have to remove also the seat belts, guys. Those come out with the same seat. There is many ways to do this. I mean, either way you choose is not gonna make much of a difference, but the way that I do it is slightly easy if you wanna consider. So because I'm gonna part it out right here, I don't like to remove the whole thing assembly with the assembly, so we're gonna use our Phillip to remove these 2 bolts right here. We're gonna get our cover off, guys, and now we're gonna use, this is our HW 5/16. This is for this bolt right here, guys. Don't lose the washer, very important washer. This is one way to do it, guys. At least is my preferred method. Let me find you a little space for the, because this one just come out like this. See, even with one hand it's possible to do it. See, there you go. The same we're gonna do over there, guys, with that one over there, then we can get this one out. So a lot of people like to do it in one piece. I think it's not necessary. So then we're gonna have 215, guys, in the front and 2 for the back right here. That's the other one right here. And the seatbelt, guys, we have this plug right here. We just gonna pry it right here to release the clip, get it off, and then we're gonna use our Torx 50. Yep, this is for the seatbelt, guys. And that will do. That's one right there. You can get them off here. That's the way they work, or you can leave it in there so you don't mix them. It's up to you guys, but that's the process. That's the removal on your 1994 F-150. And then once this one is loose like this, it can come out easily. You don't have to have the 2 pieces together. To me, make it more easy. A lot of people does it differently, but there you have it, guys. That's your removal of your bench seat in the front for the 1994 F-150. It applies to many other cars. I'll put it in the description so you can see how many models it can cover, but more or less this is what it is, guys. beautiful, beautiful bench seat with headrest and the headliner. And guys, if you have this truck 1992 to mostly 1998, is more or less the same process for this seat. This is part of our EM Upholstery technology business, so this was making house. So, but this is the level of detail that we put in our work, and it matches the original in the back right there, more or less. And beautiful headliner. Guys, you want to do a transformation like this in your vehicle, you want to get your leather seats, get rid of ugly, stinky, horrible cloth. So visit LeatherTeck.com by emupholsterytechnology.com so you can order a factory match, custom design. We have over 60 different colors and endless combinations. We have contrast stitch, piping, special editions, custom patterns like diamonds, double diamonds, hex, double hex, honeycomb, and many, many others, guys. Exotic materials like ostrich, alligator, suede skin, you name it. We have them at LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology. Guys, like and subscribe so you can see more transformations for your beautiful leather seats. And you can see also techniques on how to do the installations for your seats at LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology. Because guys, we are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult. So guys, visit LeatherTeck.com and fill up the form right there, because that way you can get exclusive special prices and promotions, discounts, and only those are available for the people in that list. So those prices are not being published, so it's exclusively for the people that fill up the form and jump into the list so they can get these special prices. That form is at LeatherTeck.com. So there you have it, guys. And I'm gonna continue making more projects like this so you can see how beautiful the transformations are, from the horrible stinky cloth seats to the beautiful leather interior. Thank you guys, and I see you in the next video.